Hello friends, I am Dr. Prashant Panchlothia. In Vet for Your Pets series, today I will discuss one of the most frequently asked question. The question is, what should we feed a 2 to 4 weeks puppy which has been separated from his mother? Now generally mothers or dogs, bitches, they feed their puppies till the age of about 6 weeks or sometimes 8 weeks. But sometimes it happens that weaning is done, either the puppy may be sold off or because of some disease or problem or death, the mother may not be able to feed the puppy. In that case, we have to formulate milk for the newborn or 2 to 4 weeks puppy. The formulation is that take 1 cup of cow milk. Cow milk, 1 cup would be about 230 to 250 milliliters. To that you have to add 2 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of edible oil, 1 drop of multivitamin syrup, and 1 drop of calcium syrup. This should be heated to about 98 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, about 37 degrees centigrade. You have to give this at least 4 times a day. It's not necessary for a puppy between the age of 2 to 4 weeks to be given feed or milk during the night time, but if required you can do so. During the day you can give milk for about 4 to sometimes 5 times. Same time you have to give Cerelac. A puppy Cerelac is available, or if puppy Cerelac is not available, you may use the human Cerelac. That also you have to give 4 times a day, but that should be started after the puppy starts chewing or starts giving an indication that chewing of nipple of the feeding bottle, or if it is trying to chew away your fingers or trying to bite other things, that means it has now got the tendency to have a little of solid food. At that time you have to start Cerelac at the rate of 1 spoon to 2 spoons between the period of 2 weeks age to 4 weeks age, 4 times a day. Cerelac is to be given 4 times a day initially, and the dosage will be 1 to 2 spoons depending upon how much requirement is there for the puppy. Should exhaust the whole of the Cerelac as well as the milk which is given to it. Now along with that you have to give 1 to 2 ml of multivitamin syrup every day, 1 to 2 ml of calcium syrup every day. As the age progresses you have to multiply it by twice, that is morning as well as evening. Towards the 4th week you have to increase the dose of both multivitamin syrup as well as calcium syrup. Along with that you have to give deworming liquid to the puppy at the dose rate of 1 ml per kilogram body weight of the puppy. This is to be done every week. Apart from that, you have to observe that the color and consistency of the defecation should be proper. Color should be yellowish to light brown. But if it is too dark, it indicates that there might be some sort of blood in the body. It may be due to worms in the body, or it may be due to other weaknesses. You have to just observe. If it goes on for a long time, then you have to consult a vet, or you can ask me. My number is 7990774805. If you are within India, you can call me directly. If you are outside India, you can call me on WhatsApp call, or any other form of call, and I will try to answer whatever your queries or your problems. One important thing with the puppies is that you don't have to bathe so small puppies, you have to wipe them with proper damp cloth at least once or sometimes twice a week, depending upon what is the condition. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.